Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
A ticking noise when your car is idling can be caused by several factors. It might be low oil levels or dirty oil, causing insufficient lubrication in the engine. Alternatively, it could be valve lifter issues, an exhaust leak, or a timing chain problem. To diagnose properly, check the oil level and quality first. Then consult a mechanic if the noise persists to avoid potential engine damage.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.